I believe this is a great day to make profit, isn't it? Hi, welcome to my channel. Great to see you here. So let's roll a little bit. Let's understand together how to make money on binary option platforms. I wanted to show you my favorite one, this IQ option platform. All the useful links you can find in the description of this video. So be my guest, don't be shy, and take action. Click all those links, pass the registration, and of course watch my videos. Press the subscribe button and notification button if you want to know more information about binary options and about how to make money on it. So let's see what I did. I pressed the put button, the red one. That means that I believe that price will go down right now, and if the point of the price will be lower than the line where I've made my prediction, I will get money. Right now, 85%. That means that $85 from the $100. Easy to count, easy to get actually. All right, there's purchase time. You have this timeline, and I like to make my decisions, my predictions right in front of it, as close as possible to that line, because in that case you see the movement of the price and you can predict more specific. There's couple seconds need to platform to get your click, your button, and my prediction is up. My prediction is up. Let's see what's gonna happen. I believe that the price will go up, and that means that I will get 85 more bucks. But as you can see, this is almost unpredictable situation. There was all signs was right here that the price will go up, but right now I'm lost $100. This is great. This is absolutely great. Why this great? Because now I can show you how to act even if you lost, even if you made a wrong prediction, even if you made mistake on the platform. If you made a mistake, you need to make your amount 2.5 times bigger. 2.5 times, near about that, because in that case, let's see what's gonna happen. I believe the price will go up because those graphs are on the green line. This is resistance levels, so price need to go down. We have 18 seconds. So even if you made a mistake, even if you lost some money, it doesn't matter which was the amount of your bet, how big it was. You need to make 2.5 times bigger. That's why, as you can see, $212 I've made, and I've lost $100 on my previous bet. That means that I made a profit even when I've made a mistake. This is great situation. And if you won this bet after the incorrect one, you should get back to your previous amount of money, to the first one. If that was $10, you can make $25 the next bet, or $30. The point is, it depends on the percents of profit. Here on the list, you have the assets. Right now, the 85%, this is most profitable asset. You can trade on it. Of course, I love and I suggest to stay longer on the platform. Of course, you can you can make all-in bet and make just for all of your amount that you have. You can make the prediction, but there's much more less chances to win and to get the profit if you will make such like just one bet. I prefer to stay longer on the platform and to trade longer and to trade step by step. This was wrong act right now, because there was a sign that the price will go up, and the best way to make prediction was right here, right at this point. So in that case, you would win for sure. And now this is almost unpredictable situation. The price can go down, but we hope so. This 2 seconds, and this is win. Cool, great. The prediction was correct, but here in this point, it would be much better to make prediction, but there's a couple seconds to go. There's a couple seconds needed for the platform to get your prediction. All right, let's see what's gonna happen. The price is going down, and let's say it's gonna go down forward. The price is going up and down all the time, and you can make your predictions. It's just binary option. You see there's a side moves today. There's a side moves. It's not a great situation because on the side moves you can't make money. You can make money on those movements of the price when it's go up and down. Great, minus 100, making 2.5 times bigger, and betting new option. All right, let's wait a little bit to make prediction right in front of this line, right in front. There's a couple seconds. There's all signs that price will go down, and it's going down. Okay, great. Let's see what's gonna happen. There's two indicators, stock and MACD. I'm using these indicators to predict the movement of the price. This is pretty easy to turn it on, like here in indicators button. Of course, you can switch the chart type. There's a couple of them. Let's see what's gonna happen. I won or not. And great job, nice job, $210. But as you can see, I was close to lose. Okay, I was close to lose, but this is actually great and nice, and I'm getting back to my previous bet. This is very important because in that case you can stay longer on the platform and you can gain more money during the time that you're spending on the platform. Before you start to trade on real money, I suggest you to get the practice account, to get your own ID on the platform. To do that, you need to go to the subscribe under the subscribe button in the description below this video. There's all the useful links for this platform. I like it very much. I suggest you to try it. And of course, be careful. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. I need you to be safe. I need you to make money and not lose them. So try the practice account before you will start trade. And of course, when you will feel confident, when you feel comfortable to trade on real money, do it, go for it, and I wish you the big profits. See you in the next videos. Press subscribe button and see you soon. Bye.